Biko, your name, sir?
Okay. Good afternoon. My name is Michelle Lucas Ikechuku. I'm from Ebede in Ukwuani, local government area of Delta State.
You're welcome, sir.
God bless you, sir.
Please, Mama, can we know where you come from for Ukwuani?
Well, I'm Mrs. Odigwe. I'm from Kwale, from Utagbogbe.
You're welcome.
God bless you, ma.
God bless you, ma. You're welcome, ma.
We will not take much of your time because we try to connect as many as possible that is Ukwuani, but it's unfortunately that our network captured two of you. We wanted to do conference call concerning Ukwuani program today.
Okay. Good afternoon once again. Like I said, my name is Lucas Ikechuku Ishia. Ukwuani history is something that called for a debate sometime, in the sense that there was nothing like history before written down what transgressed from our forefathers to us. And I believe that is what we also call history. So when we check, I can just be able to emphasize from that 1905 when Ukwuani be able to write a little history that consists, which entails that Ukwuani has become a debate because some are claiming that they came from Igbos, while majority are claiming that they came from Benin. And also some claim that they came from Kogi State. So when you emphasize a lot, like for instance, person like me that came from Ebede, from our forefathers and history written down, we declare that we come from Benin. We come from Benin. So, and when we check a lot, there are so a lot of migration. Like if you talk about Umuakashede, they are migrated from Benin. Ebede migrated from Benin. Why, if you talk about some people like Indone, Onya, this Ogba Igbema from River State, all those people claim that they came from Igbo by the riverine area. Why, when you check closely, people like Abo, Amai, Umokopata, Utagbono, those people also indicate that they came through Benin. You understand? So when you check the interrelationship, you can be able to know that Ukwuani came from different areas cut across Nigeria.
Yes.
And also, when you emphasize a lot, Ukwuani is number 27 language in Nigeria.
Yes.
Number 27 language in Nigeria. And also is at least in Anioma is one of the second largest tribe in Anioma as well.
Yes.
So indications say that Ukwuani is not something they can be able to say no to avoid in terms of Anioma creation.
Thank you.
Ukwuani also, in my perspective, we welcome Anioma state because from the time of Dennis, they have been clamoring for Aniomas. So we welcome Aniomas, and origin have said that Ukwuani came from Benin. That is what I can say for now. Let me give my sister to emphasize a bit.
God bless you, sir. God bless you.
Sir, my sister, I want you hear wetin the man talk now. Share you agree with wetin the man talk. There is an interview that happened during the week when they interviewed Ned Nwoko on Channels Television. The presenter was telling the man that Ukwuani people said they are not Igbo. Share you can hear me. Ned Nwoko was telling the man that Ukwuani people, they are Igbos. They are Igbo name, they eat Igbo food, they understand Igbo. If I talk now, Ukwuani person go understand wetin I dey talk. When Ukwuani person talk, me sef I go understand wetin Ukwuani person talk. Ned Nwoko come talk say Ukwuani people na Igbo. After the show now, na him one of the Ukwuani boy, they call am Ukwuani trumpet. Come begin dey blow trumpet for internet. Come say Ned Nwoko no represent them well. Na there the question come because me I no understand why Ukwuani go say they no be Igbo and they dey bear Igbo name. Their tradition na Igbo tradition. Na wetin me I wan hear be that, sir.
This argument wey they argue, me I no believe I say if they come on because we as we dey so Igbo people dey answer Isioma. I don't know where it contact different. Hello?
Yeah, we are with you.
I said as like my daughter now they answer Isioma.
Okay.
And another Igbo people say they answer Isioma.
Okay.
So as some people say the answer is Isioma. So where the different, the spelling different. Okay, for one greet, the greeting, only the greeting just might not, but there is no how where you go greet self. They go still here saying the greet. So I just want to say that like me, they used to call me Bende Igbo. If somebody say you be Bende Igbo, you are Igbo now. Yes. Abi, is there different or Bende Igbo? So then now say if I go to what they call it, Onisha, I go Onisha, I want to speak anything past the same language where they speak. Now Onisha people say they hear. So I don't see the difference between us. We're just like the same thing. Just because of say maybe the tone for the tongue, that is what I will say that it's just different, just little. Not that it's conk like that. Because there is no how I'm going to speak. Igbo we hear, Asaba we hear. So Onisha we hear. So what's the difference? So sir, let me hear from you, sir.
Can I answer the question?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay. Like what I said before, when you go to a place like Indone, Onya, all those people, they are Ukwuani speaking language in River State under Egbegbema local government, but they said they are from Igbo. You understand? And their origin also said they are from Igbo. But like what I told you that like our Abo, Ebede, all those people also said that they are from Benin. They are migration from Benin. So your question is, did Ned Nwoko represent us well? Yes, Ned Nwoko represent us well. He represents us well, but the way he's taking it is where that bring this confusion and contradiction. Because Ukwuani need to be in a state that they can have a good development, which if Anyoma is created, Anyoma have been agitating before, not by, it's okay, we are joining in. Anyoma have been agitating to Anyoma before, and then we are trying to, okay, if they want to create it, we join South. But when the opportunity came from this Southeast for Anyoma to be the sixth state in Southeast, it's a welcome development to me because we bring development.
Yes.
But another way is for them not to clamor that Ukwuani is an Igbo land. That is where there is an issue.
Yes.
Because I will tell you the reason. One, Ukraine and Russia, they speak similar language, but they are different countries. Spain and Portugal, they're same country. And do you know that some of my forefathers, they pay homage, you understand me, like those that come from Igala, which is like Ebede, Obesi, they pay homage to Igala. There is a kingdom in Igala that relate to that they pay homage to. You understand?
Yes.
And there are some colonization, there are some king that there are some king that they correlate in the same that our own Ukwuani land, that even the above Benin represent their presence. But where in Igbo land that Ukwuani have been probably have a relationship that's okay, Ukwuani is from Enugu, Ukwuani is from Abia State, and where particularly, and where do ever heard that Ukwuani has paid homage to any particular place in Igbo land. I've never heard it. So with that, I can be able to say, okay, Ned Nwoko is representing us well. But instead of categorizing everybody in that is not in that not data that represent as an Igbo, that is where we are saying no, we will not accept that.
Okay, I want to answer. Now you mentioned something that Ned Nwoko is trying to say that Ukwuani people be Igbo. Now I want to know where Ukwuani people come from. If they say they are not Igbo, where did they come from?
You are coming back from my first where I started from.
Yes.
One, Ukwuani people come from Benin.
Okay.
Part of Ukwuani come from Benin. Part of Ukwuani come from Igala. Like what I told you. Yeah. If you add any place, you can check from Ukwuani. There is a place they call Obeti, and they call it Obeti Gala.
Okay.
Are you hearing me?
Yes,
they call it today. They call it Obeti Igala, and they have the ancestral home in Igala up to today. You can find out.
Okay. What
I'm saying. Then there is a place also like what is it called? Like I think Umwaja, who claim that they pass through Abo, they came from Abo. You understand me? And Abo also pass through Benin. So when you check those histories, though I heard what some people are saying, some scholars are still saying that they prefer to answer those people because of the dominance of the 18th centuries. That is where they are trying to be dominant, so that fear of capturing. People also bring those one as an emphasis. Okay. Fear of capturing. But history is what you learn from your forefather you met. That is what you stand as an history. Yes. Then a question that you're supposed to ask me is that why is it that we are speaking similar language to Igbo?
That is what I wanted to ask you now. I just want you to learn. Because there is no Ukwuani that is speaking Edo, as I can see, as of today.
Why are we speaking the same language with Igbo people?
But they speak Enuani and Eka, which is dialect, and the Igbo dialect. So,
is there any
part of Ukwuani that speak Edo language?
We can't speak in Edo. Okay. I've never seen Ukwuani speaking Edo.
God bless you. God bless you. So now, what we are trying to say now.
They speak Edo, Abokia, Lahore. Where you hear them? Unless maybe you go stay for that village, you hear them by mistake. But normally, say Ukwuani, go they speak Isha, speak Ibini. You know, I don't hear them more.
For now, the Enuani and the Anyomas, they want to know where Ukwuani belongs to. Is it are you going back to Edo, or you are joining us as Anyoma State? Are you with us? Because let us know. That is the reason of today's program. Is it Ukwuani, Ndokwa are there for Anyoma states? Is coming up. So let your people know.
Yes. Ukwuani, you see, you understand me? Yes. We are one of the major agitators of Anyoma.
Okay.
They are one of the major agitators of Anyoma.
Anyoma now.
God bless you, sir.
You understand?
Yes.
And they are Anyoma.
Yes, sir.
We are Anyomas now.
God bless you, man. God bless you. What I want you to tell the other Ukwuani, the remaining Ukwuani, concerning this Anyoma creation. Okay. Let us hear what you have to say to them.
Yes.
To Ned Nwoko.
Okay. Odogwabi Osajaje.
Yes.
Ukwuani none. Kenibu Ikechukwu Ishie onye bede n'Ukwuani local government area of Delta State. Bikoni, I support the creation of Anyoma State.
God bless you.
Bikoni New York abụrụbe ka adịmma yenyi benefit ye Ukwuani no we send any more development but here ka anyị nweta gbu Anyoma State Ishiegwari.
nje motofe. So no wele go kere na agwa mu shunu bikoni. Can you burofo? Can you burofo? Can you bugame join you as one to Anioma State?
God bless you.
Thank you, ma.
God bless you for coming.
Thank you for being with us today on this show. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
very
much, ma.
Jojo, get the voice of Enuani.